A winter can be tough on your car. The cold weather, snow, and ice create a harsh environment that can take a toll on your vehicle. It's not just about the inconvenience of dealing with snow and ice, it's about the long-term effects these elements can have on your car's condition. Salt, grime, and ice can build up quickly during the winter months. When roads are treated with salt to melt ice, that salt can stick to your car's exterior and undercarriage. Over time, this buildup can lead to serious damage if not properly addressed. This can damage your car's paint and undercarriage. The salt and grime can cause rust to form, which can eat away at the metal parts of your car. Paint can also become chipped and damaged, leading to further issues down the line. Regular maintenance and cleaning are crucial to prevent these problems. Regular winter washes are essential. By washing your car frequently during the winter, you can remove the harmful salt and grime before they have a chance to cause damage. This simple step can extend the life of your vehicle and keep it looking great. They help maintain your car's appearance and protect it from the elements. A clean car not only looks better, but also performs better. The protective layers of wax and sealant applied during a wash can help shield your car from the harsh winter conditions. A clean car is also safer. When your car is free of dirt and grime, it's easier to see out of the windows and mirrors. This improved visibility can make a big difference when driving in challenging winter conditions. Grime on headlights and windows reduces visibility. Dirty headlights can significantly diminish the amount of light that reaches the road, making it harder to see at night or during heavy snowfall. Clean windows ensure you have a clear view of your surroundings. This is dangerous for you and other drivers. Poor visibility can lead to accidents, putting you and others at risk. Keeping your car clean helps you stay safe on the road by ensuring you can see and be seen by other drivers. Washing your car removes these hazards. By regularly cleaning your car, you can eliminate the buildup of dirt and grime that can obstruct your view and reduce the effectiveness of your headlights. This simple act can make a big difference in your safety. Taking care of your car in the winter keeps it looking its best. A well-maintained car not only looks good but also retains its value better. Regular washes can help prevent the wear and tear that comes with winter driving. It also helps prevent costly repairs down the road. By addressing the buildup of salt and grime early, you can avoid the expensive repairs that come with rust and paint damage. Investing in regular car washes now can save you money in the long run. A little effort now goes a long way. Taking the time to wash your car during the winter months can have a significant impact on its longevity and performance. It's a small investment of time and money that pays off in the long run, keeping your car in top condition and ensuring your safety on the road. Before you start washing, gather your supplies. You'll need a bucket, wash mitts, and car wash soap. These are the basics, but having everything ready before you begin will save you time and ensure a smoother process. Make sure your bucket is clean and free of any debris that could scratch your car's paint. Choose a high-quality car wash soap that is designed to be gentle on your car's finish while effectively removing dirt and grime. Wash mitts are preferable to sponges because they are less likely to trap dirt and cause scratches. Microfiber towels are best for drying. They are highly absorbent and gentle on your car's surface, reducing the risk of scratches and swirl marks. It's a good idea to have several microfiber towels on hand so you can switch to a clean one as needed. This will help you avoid spreading dirt and contaminants back onto your car's surface. Additionally, microfiber towels can be used for other detailing tasks, such as applying wax or polish, making them a versatile tool in your car care arsenal. Don't forget a hose with an adjustable nozzle. This will allow you to control the water pressure and flow, making it easier to rinse off soap and dirt without damaging your car's paint. An adjustable nozzle can also help you reach those hard-to-clean areas, such as wheel wells and undercarriages. Make sure your hose is long enough to reach all around your car, and check for any leaks or kinks that could disrupt the water flow. Dress warmly and wear waterproof gear. Washing your car in cold weather can be uncomfortable, but proper clothing can make a big difference. Waterproof gloves and boots will keep you dry, while a warm jacket and hat will help you stay comfortable. Layering your clothing is a good idea, as it allows you to adjust to changing temperatures throughout the day. Remember, staying warm and dry will help you focus on the task at hand and do a better job. Choose a relatively warm day, if possible. Washing your car in freezing temperatures can be challenging and potentially harmful to your vehicle. A day when the temperature is above freezing will make the process easier and more effective. If you must wash your car in colder weather, try to do it during the warmest part of the day, when the sun is shining and the temperature is at its highest. This will help prevent water from freezing on your car's surface. Ideal temperatures are above freezing. Washing your car when the temperature is above freezing will help ensure that the water and cleaning products work effectively. Cold temperatures can cause water to freeze quickly, making it difficult to rinse off soap and leaving behind residue that can damage your car's paint. Checking the weather forecast before you start can help you plan the best time to wash your car and avoid any potential issues. Never wash your car when it is below freezing. Water will freeze and cause damage. Washing your car in freezing temperatures can lead to ice forming on your car's surface, which can cause scratches and other damage. Additionally, frozen water can get into small crevices and expand, leading to cracks and other issues. If the weather is too cold, it's better to wait for a warmer day or take your car to a professional car wash that has the proper equipment to handle cold weather conditions. Water will freeze and cause damage. Ice can form on your car's surface, leading to scratches and other issues. Frozen water can also get into small crevices and expand, causing cracks and other damage. It's important to avoid washing your car in freezing temperatures to prevent these problems. If you must wash your car in cold weather, consider using warm water and drying your car thoroughly to minimize the risk of ice formation. Find a spot out of direct sunlight. Washing your car in the shade will help prevent the soap from drying too quickly and leaving streaks on your car's surface. Direct sunlight can cause the water and soap to evaporate quickly, making it difficult to rinse off all the residue. If you don't have a shaded area, try to wash your car during the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is not as strong. This will help you achieve a better result and avoid any potential damage to your car's paint. Sunlight can dry soap onto your car, leaving streaks. These streaks can be difficult to remove and can make your car look dirty even after you've just washed it. To avoid this, always wash your car in the shade or during cooler parts of the day. If you do end up with streaks, you can use a quick detailer spray and a clean microfiber towel to remove them. This will help you achieve a streak-free finish and keep your car looking its best. If you have a garage, that's even better. Washing your car in a garage provides protection from the elements and allows you to control the environment. This can be especially helpful in cold or hot weather, as it keeps you and your car more comfortable. Make sure your garage is well ventilated to avoid any buildup of fumes from cleaning products. Having all your supplies organized and within reach will also make the process more efficient and enjoyable. It provides protection from the elements. A garage shields your car from wind, rain, and extreme temperatures, making it easier to wash and dry your car thoroughly. This controlled environment helps you achieve a better result and reduces the risk of damage to your car's paint. If you don't have a garage, consider using a carport or other covered area to provide some protection while you wash your car. This will help you maintain your car's appearance and extend the life of its finish. Use lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water can damage your car's paint in cold weather. Apply car wash soap liberally. Work from the top down. Rinse your wash mitt frequently. This prevents dirt and grime from scratching your car. Pay special attention to the undercarriage. This area is exposed to salt and grime. Don't forget the wheels and tires. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner if needed. Rinse all areas thoroughly to remove soap residue. Drying is crucial in winter. Water left to freeze can damage your paint. Use a microfiber drying towel. These towels are super absorbent and won't scratch. Apply a coat of winter wax after drying. Winter wax provides extra protection from salt and grime. It also gives your car a nice shine. Pay attention to door seals. Wipe them dry to prevent freezing. You can also apply a silicone lubricant. This keeps them from sticking. Section 5. Additional tips, little things, big impact. Keep your wiper blades clean. Use a dedicated wiper blade cleaner or a damp cloth. Replace worn blades promptly for optimal visibility. Check your antifreeze levels regularly. Antifreeze prevents your engine coolant from freezing. This is essential for winter driving. Consider using a rinseless or waterless car wash. These products are great for quick cleanups. They minimize water use, which is helpful in cold weather. Section 6. Interior care. Don't forget the inside. Use all-weather floor mats to protect your car's carpets. These mats trap dirt, snow, and salt. They are easy to remove and clean. Vacuum your car's interior regularly. This removes dirt, salt, and crumbs. It keeps your car looking and smelling fresh. Wipe down interior surfaces with a damp cloth. This removes dust and grime. Use a mild cleaner for tougher stains. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage your car's interior. Section 7. Frequency. How often should you wash? Aim to wash your car every 2 weeks during the winter. Wash more frequently if you live in an area with heavy snow or salt use. Regular washing prevents buildup. This keeps your car looking its best. If you notice salt or grime buildup, don't wait. Wash your car as soon as possible. Prompt cleaning prevents damage and keeps your car sparkling. Section 8. Professional help. When to call in the experts. Consider professional detailing a couple of times during the winter. The harsh winter conditions can be particularly tough on your vehicle. Snow, ice, and road salt can cause significant damage to both the exterior and undercarriage of your car. By opting for professional detailing services during this season, you ensure that your car is thoroughly cleaned and protected against these elements. This not only helps in maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, but also extends its lifespan by preventing rust and corrosion. Detailing involves a thorough cleaning and protection of your car's exterior and interior. This process goes beyond a simple wash and vacuum. Professional detailers meticulously clean every nook and cranny of your vehicle, ensuring that even the most hard-to-reach areas are spotless. They use specialized tools and techniques to remove dirt, grime, and contaminants that regular cleaning methods might miss. Additionally, they apply high-quality waxes and sealants to protect your car's paint and interior surfaces from future damage. It's a great way to pamper your car and keep it in top condition. Regular detailing not only enhances the appearance of your vehicle, but also contributes to its overall health. A well-maintained car is less likely to suffer from issues such as paint oxidation, interior fading, and unpleasant odors. Moreover, a clean and shiny car can boost your pride of ownership and make your driving experience more enjoyable. Professional detailers have specialized tools and products. These tools are designed to achieve results that are simply not possible with standard car cleaning equipment. For instance, they use high-powered vacuums, steam cleaners, and polishers to achieve a level of cleanliness and shine that is unparalleled. The products they use are also of professional grade, offering superior protection and longevity compared to over-the-counter options. This means that your car not only looks better, but is also better protected against the elements. They can remove stubborn stains and contaminants that are difficult to tackle at home. Whether it's a coffee spill on your car seat, tar on your paint, or pet hair embedded in your carpets, professional detailers have the expertise and tools to handle it all. They use specialized cleaning agents and techniques to break down and remove these tough stains without damaging your car's surfaces. This ensures that your car looks as good as new, both inside and out. They can also apply protective coatings that last longer than those available to consumers. These coatings provide a durable barrier against environmental contaminants, UV rays, and minor scratches. By investing in professional-grade coatings, you can significantly reduce the need for frequent waxing and polishing. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that your car remains in pristine condition for a longer period. In conclusion, professional detailing is an investment in the longevity and appearance of your vehicle, making it well worth the cost. Section 9. Conclusion. A clean car is a happy car. Washing your car in the winter may seem like a chore, but it's essential for maintaining your car's appearance and value. Regular washes protect your car from the elements and ensure it's safe to drive. Follow these tips to make winter car washing easier and more effective. Your car will thank you for it.